In this video, I'm going to be comparing Xero and QuickBooks and seeing which one is the best for cloud accounting software. It's Xero, by the way, but humour me and let's go through all the comparisons anyway. I'm sure you will have heard of Xero and QuickBooks Online. They are two of the most popular accounting solutions for small businesses. I'm also sure that you all know that I am Xero's #1 fan. And if you don't, where have you been the last 4 years? I literally made them send me this hoodie, which was the last one they had in a size XXL. And I went and got it altered and downsized a few sizes. It's still way too big, but I'm fine with it. That is the level of commitment that I have. Still waiting for Xero to sponsor my YouTube channel. If you think they should, please like and comment on this video. Help a girl out. So, which platform is right for your business? I'ma get to it. But first, a quick summary. My firm moved to using Xero in May 2018, and we have never looked back. We are a Xero-only practice, and every single member of the accounts team are Xero certified advisors. It's a requirement of the job. No Xero, no likey. We were also shortlisted as a finalist for Xero's Small Practice of the Year in 2020. We didn't win. It's fine. I'm fine.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Let's be clear, I'm looking at QuickBooks Online here, not their desktop version. Ugh. Aesthetically. Now I appreciate that this is a really personal choice thing, but I think that Xero's interface is so much nicer to look at. It's cleaner and therefore just so much easier to use. The QuickBooks one just looks more complicated for me. Okay, let's move on to actual facts and not opinions. Pricing. Xero is slightly more expensive than QuickBooks, but don't let that put you off. I mean, Smooth is probably slightly more expensive than other small accountancy practices, but we're better, so. See the table on the next slide for the pricing of each software. I will say though, that with the pricing table, we're kind of comparing apples and oranges here. There are a few differences on the prices, one of which is that Xero restricts the number of invoices and quotes to 20 and 5 bills on its starter plan, whereas QuickBooks offer unlimited. On the flip side, QuickBooks restricts the number of users on each plan, whereas Xero don't. I think it's much more useful to have unlimited users so that as your business grows, you don't have to keep paying more and more, which is the next difference that I want to discuss. Xero gives you unlimited users on all of its packages. QuickBooks Online restricts you to up to 5 users, even on its Plus package, which is normally £32 per month. Both software options charge you extra for payroll, but Xero charges extra for CIS returns, which QuickBooks doesn't. Let's talk fixed assets. You know, those things that you buy that go to the balance sheet and not the profit and loss. Stay with me. In Xero, you can create a fixed asset register and it will accurately calculate and post depreciation for you each month. This means your accounts are more accurate and comparable to the ones that your accountant produces. It also means that you can keep all of your assets in one place. This is not a feature that QuickBooks has. Xero gives you a basic inventory management system for free, which although isn't massively intuitive, it's absolutely fine for small businesses. QuickBooks will charge you an additional fee, which increases depending on which plan you're on. Next, you can restrict access in a more detailed way with Xero than you can with QuickBooks. For example, if you wanted to stop a user seeing banks or invoices, you can. And finally, Xero integrates with many more apps than QuickBooks does. As a digital practice, this is really important to us as we rarely use Xero in isolation with our clients. There's usually always something extra that we add to streamline a client's finance function. Ultimately, there are pros and cons to both options, and it's whatever you prefer and whatever is right for your business. You can trial them both for free, so have a go and see what you think. You should always check with your accountant what they recommend and why. And not necessarily because either platform is better than the other, but if they only work with one, then they will be experts in that product. Xero is better though. For example, if someone wanted to work with Smooth, don't blame them, they'd have to use Xero. Hopefully this has been useful. Any Xero questions, pop them below and I'll make a video to answer them. In summary, pick Xero or don't speak to me.